The do's and don'ts of a smooth divorce. First, there is nothing to be gained by intentionally trying to make life miserable for the other party. Try to remain on speaking terms, and if that is not an option, choose a neutral form of communication, such as texting. Consider mediation. This is a lower-cost alternative that helps with communication and preparation of the necessary paperwork. Even if you do require divorce lawyers in Austin, the use of a mediator can be an important step for getting ready for court. Write down your budget. Finances are a very big part of every divorce case. Having a clear and honest budget will make things go smoother, and being able to find the financial paperwork you need ahead of time will make things go faster. Protect the children. Divorce is stressful for children. Avoid fighting in front of them. Avoid putting down your spouse in front of them. The exception is if you are in an unsafe situation. If you or the children are at risk, contact law enforcement and exit the situation as quickly and safely as possible. Protect your mental health. Now is not the time to binge eat or neglect your health, even though you are feeling extremely stressed. Go for walks, drink water, take some time to meditate, do the things that support your mental health so you can better handle the road ahead. Don't do this if you want a smooth divorce. When you block divorce proceedings, either willfully or because you simply don't want to deal with it, you are making a bad situation much, much worse. Divorce lawyers in Austin discourage you from doing the following. Being combative. When feelings are hurt, especially if one is feeling betrayed, it is natural to want to become combative. This, however, can spin out of control very quickly and can turn into a situation of power/financial/physical abuse. Your divorce lawyer in Austin is always on the side of the law and cannot tolerate any behavior that puts your or your spouse's well-being at risk. Hiding important documents. This is a big issue that can lead to costly delays and a lot of serious problems. Don't hide or alter documents, such as the deed to the house, car titles, bank statements, employment or business income, etc. DIY divorce. You don't actually save any time or money with a DIY divorce because divorces, even quick ones, are incredibly complicated. Divorce lawyers in Austin know the laws about divorce in this state and what you are, and are not, entitled to. There are also firm rules when it comes to the custody of minor children and the division of estates. It is easy to mistakenly break a law you are unfamiliar with. Once upon a time, there was a father named John who was going through a divorce. He and his wife, Sarah, had 2 young children, and they were both determined to fight for custody. John, however, was convinced that he could handle the case on his own, and he didn't see the need to hire an attorney. The custody case was set to begin in a few weeks, and John spent all of his free time researching the law and preparing his case. He was convinced that he had a strong argument and that he would be able to convince the judge to award him primary custody of the children. However, when the day of the hearing arrived, John quickly realized that he was out of his depth. The courtroom was filled with lawyers, and John felt overwhelmed and intimidated. He struggled to present his case and answer the judge's questions. Sarah's attorney, on the other hand, was well prepared and confidently presented evidence and witness testimony that painted John as an unfit parent. The judge listened carefully to both sides, but ultimately ruled in favor of Sarah. John was devastated. He was granted only limited visitation rights and would not be able to see his children as much as he wanted. He was also ordered to pay a large portion of Sarah's attorney fees. John realized too late that he should have hired an attorney to represent him. He had underestimated the complexity of the legal system and the importance of having a skilled lawyer by his side. He would have to live with the consequences of his decision for the rest of his life, and would always regret not hiring an attorney to help him fight for his children. The moral of the story is that hiring an attorney for a child custody case is a wise decision. Attorneys have the knowledge and experience to navigate the legal system and advocate for their clients' rights. John's story serves as a reminder that in legal matters, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Divorce is never pleasant, but with the help of divorce lawyers in Austin, you can get through the process faster, with a more favorable custody arrangement, and with the assets you deserve. Contact Vaught Law Firm, PC, if you are in the Austin area and are planning a divorce. We specialize in family law and will provide the expertise you need. Visit austindivorcelawyer.com or call us for a free consultation at 512-342-9980.